So I just arrived, as you can see, the mall is over here. It's kind of like one of those modern malls you see in like Dubai or Qatar or something. Oh, screw it, I'm gonna go. Hey look, you got a store called Liverpool. Well, you can't. I said I was getting away from home, but clearly I'm closer than I thought. I wonder what that is then. Well, it's surely not the name of the mall. I mean, it's on the outside of the mall. Yeah, the actual hours of shop. So if we head down here, if you look up, it's on there. Yeah, it is. This way. What the freaking hell's the entrance? I don't get it. As at this side, maybe. I'm sure that no. Must be around the back then. Oh, what a nightmare. So we'll try again. This is Liverpool coming up. And again, temperature checks and hand sanitizer on arrival. Hola. Gracias. So it looks like a department store, like a John Lewis or something. Oh mate, it's so much cooler in here as well. Macy's if you're from America, by the way. So cool in here. Nice air conditioning. I mean, it wasn't too bad actually when I got to the beach and sat down. With the breeze coming off the waves, it was alright, but so much nicer in here, all air conditioned. It's difficult really because I'm not looking for anything, so I don't. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm not a massive fan of shopping. I'd rather do stuff online. I hate clothes shopping. Can't be arsed trying stuff on, but being here now, I've not got anything in particular to look for, so I'm just kind of wandering around. They got some suitcases up here, so go and look at them. Yeah, they got different bits and pieces. They got like Gap, PlayStation games, Xbox, Nintendo for all you Xbox and Nintendo owners, camera stuff. This is obviously the electronics section, and then this is the suitcases, so something remotely travel related.
¿Tiene precio? Chip, medio, chip, medio. Este es
Gracias.
%, descuento 30%.
30% discount.
Ajá. Este le sale menos 30%.
So how many
No.
how many in US dollars?
En dólares, ok.
Okay. So 94.50.
Tengo este de $169. En dólar, con descuento. En dólar.
Ah, the discount.
Ajá.
And this is on all of the suitcases.
O tengo también de este liquidation. Es good material, policarbonato.
And todas las maletas?
No, son.
No.
Es good material. Precio en dólar sería.
Okay.
Este,
Gracias. How much is a big one? Not
Big?
not like, but like in this style, but the big one.
okay, big.
Feel bad here. I'm not actually gonna buy it. Like, but kind of intrigued to know the price.
Este es en liquidation.
Yeah, that's
Es de
cheaper than that one.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
En cheaper sería. En cheaper de material. de
Muy
material
barato.
Más barato. Este sería
Más barato, sí.
entre 20. Este es en dólar, $106.
Okay, what time are you open till?
Ajá, pero big.
¿Qué
¿Quieres ver chiquito?
a qué hora abrito?
Abrimos a las 11 de la mañana.
Okay.
Cerramos hasta las 9 de la noche.
Yes, I realised I asked her what time boring, which makes absolutely no sense. What I was trying to ask was what time are you open until, and got the word for open, which is abierto, mixed up with aburrido, which is Spanish for the word bored. Fortunately, she managed to understand what I was asking and let me know that they were open from 11 AM until 9 at night, so it wasn't a complete disaster.
Ah, okay.
¿Quiere que le traiga el chiquito?
That's Louis. I'll come back later. What's the word? Can't think.
Es como este de...
Trying to think of the word for later.
No,
Más tarde?
Más
No,
tarde.
no ahora.
no, sí. ¿Ahorita?
Yeah, I need to get my money from the
Money. Okay.
hotel. Dinero para
Regresa.
hotel. Sí.
Ok.
Yeah, I'll come back.
Chico,
Oh,
el chico.
later. I need to decide which one.
Ok.
Okay.
El
Gracias.
chi- Ok.
Thank you for your help. Gracias.
Ok, bye.
Right, so I'll head this way. Oh my god. Actually, I found something that I really like. I feel really bad because she was so nice, like helping me out, telling me the price in dollars, giving discounts left, right and centre, but I just kind of wanted to know the prices of some things. I mean, it's probably fairly standard. I mean, I'd expect to pay that at home. But this is my section, the sports section. We've got a few bits and pieces that'll be interesting. Mainly these football shirts. So this is Club America. This is probably the biggest team in the country. They're from Mexico City. They're playing next Saturday. I wanted to go and watch them, and I emailed someone on LinkedIn. I don't know if I've already mentioned this. I emailed someone on LinkedIn who works at the club to see if I could get inside, but apparently no media, no fans, no members of the public allowed in the stadium. So I guess I'm not going to be allowed, but I love the shirt. It's different, it's unique. It's maybe not the nicest colours on the planet, but I don't know, I just love the design. I just think it's so cool. Let's see. And on the back, got Corona. So 1599, which in pounds is, do a quick calculation now. So 1599 divided by 27. So this is in pounds, not dollars. £59. Actually, that's pretty cheap. Cheaper than I was expecting. I can't buy it now though, because obviously that one's going to be like, why didn't you buy a suitcase? But you can afford to buy a shirt. Basically, just the generic department store as you'd find in the States, in the UK, when prices seem pretty much standard. Gracias. That was an interesting experience at Liverpool. Let's take a photo, let's not go that way. I don't know where to go next. Really, I'm going to take my mask off for a sec. Have a swig of me water. It's coming off there. I'm going to go Zara. I know that much. But I mean, yeah, this is like, it's very, I'd say the whole resort, especially this hotel zone, very westernised, very Americanised actually. You've got loads of, on the main strip, loads of big convenience stores, 7-Elevens, that type of thing. And I went inside one last night and it literally is just like walking into an American convenience store. Not very Mexican at all. Compared to like when you're going in shops in Mexico City, it's a bit less. Feels a bit less Americanised, I suppose. It's got Dolce & Gabbana, Rolex, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Tag, Michael Kors. So all very expensive places. Places I will not be doing any shopping in unless they sell cheap drinks, which I doubt it. Do you know what? Shall I try and go in Louis Vuitton? It's gonna be so expensive. I've got a backpack on. They know I'm not gonna be buying anything, but worth giving it a go. They'll just be seeing me vlogging and thinking what a fucking idiot. I don't blame them, like, but I just want to give it a try. Oh, maybe. It might be shut actually. There's an entrance on the side or something. There might be an entrance at the front. I saw a TikTok video, so obviously not the greatest source of information, but I saw a TikTok video the other day that said Louis Vuitton don't ever sell their products to like discount retailers. They just burn them so that no one else can sell them cheaply, which when you think about it is absolutely mad. They'd rather waste stuff to protect the brand, to make sure the prices stay high, than, you know, let other retailers sell it for a lesser price. It's like, I don't know whether to walk in there like filming myself and it makes it dead obvious, or whether to put my camera down by my side and not bother. Right, let's see. Oh. Guys, tell me to wait a sec. Waving someone over. Getting the hand gel. I feel like they're looking at me to assess whether I'm allowed to come in or not. We'll soon find out. Where's the men's?
The men's is in the back.
Ah, the back. Oh. Right, so when she's helping me, I think she's actually following me to make sure I don't rob anything, which is probably fair enough, like, to be honest. I like this. That's a very nice bag. As is that. That is very, very nice. What's the exchange rate for dollars?
US or
Yeah.
pounds or?
Do you do pounds?
You can do pounds. For you, for sure it's gonna be more expensive here than back in London or.
Really? How come?
Because they are made in Europe.
Ah, I
For
didn't
you,
know
all
that.
the high brands are more expensive,
No way.
like 20% more. Yeah.
Serious? Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I do like that bag though, it's very nice.
But like for
Just
that one in
out of
pounds,
interest.
let me tell you. In pounds is 1,600 pounds.
Would you say like they're durable? They last long?
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Cool. But it's cheaper to get it at home.
Yeah, either
Okay.
France or London, anywhere in Europe.
Am I okay to still have a look around?
Yes, of course.
Gracias. Wow, actually really nice. Some of the stuff in here is so good. So she could have made a sale there, and yet told me it's cheaper to buy at home. If you want Louis Vuitton stuff, get it in Europe, because apparently it's cheaper. I like the bracelets. This one's very nice, the black one. And now we've got the luggage. We're moving on to luggage. Look at that. That's so nice. If I could have like any suitcase, oh, I'll tell you what, that's good. I'd probably have a Louis Vuitton suitcase. I bet they're really good quality as well. They're durable and they've got built-in TSA locks, so you don't even need to worry about that. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
Exit. Salida. Sí. Gracias.
Goodbye.
Ciao. Whew. I'll tell you what, they were super nice then. Maybe in a few years when I turn 30, I can ask my dad for something Louis Vuitton. I would like something, but the prices are just insane. But yeah, like, fair play, he let me in. When he called that woman over, I thought, she's gonna take one look at me and say, nah, you're not coming in. She did, she was really nice, really helpful, and although she was following me around because I probably did look like I was about to rob something, at least, you know, when I asked the questions, she was dead attentive, dead helpful. So fair play, Louis Vuitton, you've employed the winner there. And here is like the hallmark of one of those Middle Eastern style shopping malls, a Venice style canal. literally don't know why so many shopping malls go for them. It's like even like the, what's it called in Manchester, the Trafford Centre. They've got like a big Titanic thing. What's the fascination with watercraft and waterways in shopping centres? Tell me if there's some method to the madness. If you know of any reason why that might be, bang it in the comments below. Exactly what I mean about it being very Americanised. Even got a Hooters. But they got loads of live sport on over there, so later I'll be tempted to go and watch it. Now heading out to what looks like the harbour, the port. It's pretty cool that you can actually get this close to it. So this will be the lagoon, I think. I imagine really nice spot to watch the sunset, especially if you've got yourself something to eat. Watch sunset, perfect. You put the baseball on the big screen for me. Perfect way to celebrate after trying to rob Louis Vuitton.
Getting back from Hooters, I got a shower and got changed, and despite feeling tired, I managed to find a second wind and headed out to party. If you want to find out more about what Cancun's nightlife is really like in 2020, check out my last vlog.
What a night that was. So good evening there, watching a bit of baseball, having a few beers and some food. Some much needed food after after not eating since yesterday. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. As always, if you enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you wouldn't mind. At least you'll be notified when the next vlog goes live. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.